right, so now this one here, this is the stomach, and this is clinical, like you see these in doctor's office, because they want to explain something to you. Here is an ulcer right here, a gastric ulcer. These folds are called rugae. There is the pyloric sphincter right there and there. There's a duodenal ulcer right there in red, right? And so there's the duodenum, right, esophagus, and you can look at the thing for that, right? Here is, and I think I may have, well, I broke it last week, but here is this combination showing the relationship. Here's the pancreas right here. Here is showing a tumor on the pancreas, all right? Here is the pancreatic duct here, and it branches into an upper and lower place where it enters into the duodenum right there. Here's the gallbladder showing gallstones, all right? So, what's my phrase? Dibs, fair game? Gallstones, right? Gallbladder, all right? Let's see. This is the spleen right here. This is actually, turn it this way, this is showing what's called a ruptured spleen. See how it's ruptured? Right there. Forget this part here. Right here, okay? So imagine the liver is right here, okay? It's not showing this, but it's kind of showing from behind. But right here in blue, and it continues.
Is she touching it?
All right, so look, down here, coming up, the liver would be where my hand is. This is the portal vein, the hepatic portal vein right here. All right, this would be the splenic vein, the splenic artery going to the spleen. All right, so just wanted to point that out. This green, all right, so if you turn this around, you'll see that that green is coming out. Turn it on more. No, that one, there, right there. It's like Vanna White. So right, and then coming out right here in green, that's the common bile duct. And you can see it's merging with the pancreatic duct to enter into the duodenum right there. Okay, so wanted to point out these things because they're there, they're obvious, and such a smart class that, you know, I just don't want you to go, oh, I didn't think to look at that. All right. Now right here is the liver. Okay, so if you can take this up here. No, take the liver off. Okay, and then turn it upside down. There you go. Right, like that.
Where is she?
Yeah, there. No? Make this facing up. Whoop.
It's
Upside
facing
down.
up.
Yeah, there, that part right there facing up. Okay, so there's the liver. So if I'm standing there, all right,
Yeah, I
so
know
if you
you
were to hold
did.
it right
No,
here.
you did not.
No, the other side.
I
Right
know
there,
he did.
Over there, and then if you reflect it up, that's the word, reflect it up, there's part of it, but there's the gallbladder, actually showing a gallstone. And then there's the common bile duct right there. This smaller blue vessel is the hepatic portal vein. And then this one here, if you follow it around, and then here, turn it upside down, follow that around, that is the inferior vena cava. Now, right here, coming out of the liver and going into the inferior vena cava, that is the hepatic vein. Ooh, hint, hint. I can point to it.
Oh, yes.
All right, because the picture, some of them, the pictures don't even show it. But there it is right there, coming out of the liver, and you can kind of see the way this is cut. It's kind of merging into the inferior vena cava right there. So that's the hepatic vein, and then turn it over again. And that's the hepatic portal vein. Okay? So I wanted to point to these models here because this is the same things on there as well. Now, it's right here, and this is kind of review, what I'm pointing out. You can take this off here. No big deal.
You nasty girl. All on that.
Right here is the ileum, and it's been cut into so that you can see this ileocecal valve. Right?
Okay.
Hint, hint. Nudge, nudge. This is probably the only place where you can see it.
What is it
The
again?
ileocecal valve, right there. That's
Ileocecal.
right where it's opening into the cecum, which is right here. There's the appendix. There's the cecum, and then this, where the ileum ends, right there. That's the ileocecal valve. Okay, and since spelling counts on ileum, I-L-E-U-M, ileocecal, also spelling counts, I-L-E-O, cecal, C-E-C-A-L, that, or sphincter. Okay? So this is, I just wanted to point out, I was thinking about that, this is the only place where it is. Here's also pretty clear, the pyloric sphincter there, and then there's the cardiac valve, or cardiac sphincter there, okay?
The three parotid, there's the parotid salivary gland, sublingual and submandibular
Okay.
salivary gland,
All right.
and just other structures that we learn, muscles here and bone, etc.
Okay. All right then.
That'd be the jugular vein, carotid artery. Yeah.
Okay.
Just
All
wanted to
right.
know.
All right. Cool. Thank you much.
Sure.